So first you take a sheet of paper and fold it in half. Like this. And then you fold it again. And then you fold it a third time. So when you open the paper, you should have 8 rectangles like this. Then you want to fold the paper again. And then you see this line right here, you want to cut it on the closed area. Cut a line just from the middle to the end of the paper. This. So that when you open it, there's a hole in the middle. Then you want to fold the paper backwards like this. And then you want to fold the paper in, almost making a T shape. So you fold the paper inwards, like this. And then once it's like this, you fold down. And then you take this last flap and you fold it down as well. So now you have 4 pages of your zine. Good luck.